Welcome back to Live, Laugh, Love with Jen. Today is Tuesday, so that means it's time for Tiny Tidy Tuesday. And today I'm going to finish my closet, so stay tuned. I saved the hardest part of the closet for last, and that part of the closet is this window and this dressing area. I'm gonna have to clean the window, which is not that big of a deal, but I have a box of jewelry that I need to go through, and I have some makeup that I need to go through, so I'm gonna have some tough choices to make. Again, I'm going to say to myself, is this something I would wear today? If so, I'm going to keep it. If it's not something I would wear or use today, then I'm going to go ahead and donate it, or in the case of makeup, throw it away. But yeah, it's going to be kind of tough because a lot of the jewelry was given to me or has some kind of special meaning behind it. So it's going to be pretty tough to get rid of that. So let's get started and finish this closet. As always, I would love to welcome you to my channel if you are new, and if you're a returning subscriber, it's so great to have you back as well. This video is part of Tiny Tidy Tuesdays. Tiny Tidy Tuesdays are hosted by my dear friend Sunday Dawn. Her channel name is The Helpful Home, and I will link it in my description box below. There are also some other wonderful tiny tidy motivators who are also in my description box below, so check them out if you need more motivation. And I'm going to continue cleaning my closet. If you are new, my name is Jen. I make a variety of content. I am a former teacher and a heart warrior, and I would love to have you in my YouTube family.
Even if you tried, you wouldn't understand it. Maybe something's missing inside of you. Just a bit of sugar to that horrid bitter. Maybe you taste different. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. I guess it never hit you. Our conversation takes two, paying it some interest from time to time. Inside all that greatness and all of your adventures, you're all alone. Hold up, baby. I can sit beside you while you're going on about your simple life. Nothing left you thinking that maybe you're not different. Go on, blow up your ego, your undying ego. Oh, look here he goes, stepping on toes with his humble acting, everlasting ego. Oh, here he goes, here he goes, here he goes. Oh,
The glass tray on my dressing table says a girl should be two things: who and what she wants. And it's a Coco Chanel quote, and it's one of my favorites. So I always make sure to have that on my dressing/makeup table.
I want to be daring, baby, dance the night away. I let my head down if I want. Don't you just get tired chasing fame and being pretty all the time? Doesn't sound like fun. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I want to be silly, baby, dance the night away. I'll kick my shoes off if I want. Let yourself be free and maybe you will find that there is more to life than being pretty. Honey, let's just face it. You can do better. Let me show you what a good time looks like. You can do better, so much better. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. You can. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, you don't have to hide it. Baby, let your head down, be a little wilder. Baby, kick your shoes off, don't hide it. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder. I don't fit into your box, beauty queens without no flaws. You can do better, I dare you to be wilder.
I ended up throwing most of my makeup away because I know some of it was at least 2 to 3 years old and I'm not using it, and I could not remember if the what was old and what was not old, so I just threw most of it away. So that's what I'm doing now, and then I'm going to put everything back together. Please do not forget to like, comment, and if you're new, subscribe.
You take my love for granted. Say a bunch of stuff you never mean, yeah. I think I need a minute to figure out my limits. You cross them more than once, yeah. You take my love for granted. We keep on talking from body to body, yeah. Getting closer to just being
so much to Sunday Dawn for putting this tiny, tidy Tuesday together. Please check out her channel. I'm going to link it in my description box below. Also, please check out the playlist in my description box, and you will find lots of motivation from all the other tiny, tidy Tuesdayers. And remember, take time to live, laugh, and love today. I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.